It's Strawberry and Lizette in the afternoon. Tell everybody what you just learned.
So I saw that Cup of Noodles, the instant ramen.
Yeah.
So they're switching from styrofoam cups. They're going to get these new paper cups.
Sure.
It's now microwavable. And I was like, what?
Yeah, you were not supposed to microwave Cup of Noodles before.
How do you do it then?
You make hot water and then put the hot water in
That
the
takes
cup.
so long. What's the difference?
You melt the styrofoam and it catches on fire.
Yeah, if you don't put water in it, it'll burn.
And I think it's also toxic. You're not supposed to microwave styrofoam in the first place anyway. But yeah.
Everyone microwaves it though, don't they?
No, you pour hot water into the cup.
I thought everyone microwaved it.
No.
Oh, maybe we're just like super Mexican. I thought that's how you're supposed to cook it my whole entire life.
Well, now you know.